The future is now. Introducing the all-new VOLTA Spark, the revolutionary universal charging cable that the world has been waiting for. The VOLTA Spark features a multitude of features that will change the game forever. Forget fumbling around with a messy assortment of chargers and cords. The VOLTA Spark is a 100-watt USB-C PD magnetic cable that connects instantly to virtually any device. Using two perfectly aligned reversible magnets with 360-degree orientation at both ends, it delivers an immediate, powerful connection and allows you to simply attach the VOLTA Spark to multiple devices with no effort at all. Incorporating premium MagSafe-like technology, the VOLTA Spark detaches instantly in case of a trip or snag, saving you from an expensive repair bill. We all know time is precious. The VOLTA Spark provides the fastest charging technology available, outperforming the speeds of other USB-C cables on the market by up to 70%. And with VOLTA Spark OTG, you can transform your phone into a battery pack, ensuring you need never run out of power again. Whether it's an iPhone or a MacBook Pro, the Spark cord will fast charge every compatible device at full speed. Constructed with tangle-free, ultra-tough military-grade nylon and treated with our specialized anti-fray protection technology, the VOLTA Spark is 10 times stronger than any other cable. We are so confident that it will outlast any other cable no matter what you do to it, that we provide a lifetime, no questions asked warranty, a promise that no other cable company can match. It's time to discard all the multiple chargers cluttering up your life. VOLTA Spark, the only charging cable you'll ever need. Pre-order now to get up to 50% off. Shipping soon.